Ike McCulley with Priestley Demolition, Superintendent. We're here at the Sunoco plant in Hartsville, South Carolina, doing a demo on an old tannery.
Jonathan Smith, project manager for Priestley Demolition. This building was built in 1929. The full structure is 200,000 square foot. 50,000 square foot is being saved, and we're demolishing 150,000 square foot. Salvaging all, recycling all the steel. This particular building was timber built, so all large timbers, columns, beams. The ceiling is all 4-inch by 8-inch tongue and groove ceiling. So we're salvaging everything that is salvageable.
We have a PC 350 in the back there on the pile with a stiff arm grapple doing load out and sorting of the C&D. And then we have a Volvo 380 straight boom with a shear, and he also loads the steel and segregates it from P&S and shred, and also sizes it.
This is really a good example about how Priestley can come to a job, bring people together from different parts of the country, and succeed at whatever the challenge is. We bring in good leadership, we bring in great project management, and some of the most skilled people that are really in the industry today. Priestley is your partner in progress.